In this video, I'll be sharing some spring kitchen decor, and I'll also be baking a delicious pie. I hope you'll stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Karen's Style of Life. Today I'll be sharing with you my table for two setup for spring, and I've also got a vignette here that I've created for spring, but I'll also be baking a delicious buttermilk pie. I am super excited because all of this is part of a closed collaboration that's being hosted by Shangie of Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle. And Shangie has created the homedecorathon, and this is the Spring Around the Clock edition for spring. And Shangie has invited a few of us creators to jump on board with her, and I'm super excited about that. And I want to take this time right now to thank Shangie for inviting me. Shangie, thank you so much for inviting me to participate in this collaboration. I had so much fun creating my table for spring and my vignette, so I'm excited about sharing that with you guys. But I'll have Shangie's channel linked down below so that you can make sure that you go over and subscribe to her channel if you're not already subscribed. And also she's invited Stacy of Design and Style with Stacy, D of Designers Loft, and N of Renters Love Luxury. She's invited all of us ladies to jump on board with her for the Spring Around the Clock collaboration. So I'm excited about that. So thank you once again, Shangie. And I'm going to go ahead and get started with this buttermilk pie, get that in the oven. Then I'm going to show you my table for two setup for spring and this cute little vignette that I've come up with as well. So let's go ahead and get started with the buttermilk pie. I'll have all of the ingredients down in my description box. So you'll have that. It's a delicious pie, and I know that you guys will enjoy it if you've never tried buttermilk pie. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever made it. All right, guys, don't forget to check out the playlist for this collaboration. I'll have that down in my description box as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this buttermilk pie. In this bowl, I've got 2 cups of sugar. I'm going to add 1 stick of room temperature butter and cream that together, and then we'll go ahead and add our eggs in.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in.
Okay, now we're going to add our buttermilk, our flour, our vanilla, a dash of salt, and a dash of nutmeg. Okay, now guys, we're going to go ahead and get our custard into the pie shell. This is a ready-made pie shell. I didn't make a pie shell from scratch, and that's okay. Sometimes you just got to go there. All right, let's get our pie into the oven. I've got my oven preheated at 350 degrees.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so.
Here is my Easter vignette. Don't you just love these cute little bunny eggs? They're actually salt and pepper shakers. This teapot was a Walmart find, and I just placed a Dollar Tree plate underneath for a layered effect on top of the cake stand. Everything is sitting on top of this wooden cutting board. This cutting board is sentimental to me because this cutting board belonged to my grandmother. Growing up in her kitchen, I remember this cutting board. When she passed away, my mother used this cutting board, and now I'm using it in my home. I don't use it as a cutting board, but I do use it to display my vignettes, and I love it. It is so precious to me, and it will always have a place in my kitchen. Now let me share with you my spring tablescape for two. I've got the same pink theme going on with the pink plates layered between these two white plates and these cute little bunny ear napkin ring holders. This cute bunny basket I've just filled with some plastic eggs. And I've got two bunnies sitting on top of tea light holders. And I just put some faux grass there. Again, I have that pink plate. This picture and these salt and pepper containers came from Dollar General. And these were the inspiration behind the entire tablescape. And I just filled the pitcher with flowers, hydrangeas. I am just in love with this tablescape. It is so sweet and so adorable. Inside of these containers, I just placed faux flower, hydrangea flower, inside of each of the salt and pepper containers. A word to the wise, always set your oven timer in case you fall asleep, your pie won't burn. I trust you've enjoyed the videos so far from Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle and Styling with Stacy. And if you've enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you would give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Don't forget, up next is D of Designers Loft, followed by N of Renters Love Luxury. Make sure that you check out their videos as well. If you've missed any of the videos, we'll all have a playlist link in our description box. Just click on the link and you'll be able to see all of the videos as part of this collaboration. Thank you, Shangie. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. The pie didn't turn out too bad.
Some time